of today's school favorite. Yeah, I think the most special is the case presentation. We had a lot of cases prepared, and they are all different from different parts of hepatology. But the discussions around these cases and the pathologists interacting and interpreting, but not always have the same opinion. So they are also controversially discussing some findings, and that's highly interesting when you're sitting there and listening to the opinion of different opinion leaders. And we had the opinion leaders, European opinion leaders here, and I like that a lot. And then the interaction, clinician, pathologist, very important.
I really enjoyed the interaction between the junior and senior, and the interaction between the pathologist and the clinician.
Actually, of course, also the scientific part, but also the evening, because getting to know people not only from the scientific part, but also their personalities, it's really important.
I liked a lot interactive cases. They were very, very interesting and amazing. It was very nice to discuss cases and also to have the opportunity to delve into difficult and challenging clinical cases.
I enjoyed most the interactive cases, which are very useful in our practice.